Now, after reading the book, D.W. the Picky Eater, I would like everyone to share what their favorite food is and if it's healthy or not.
Pineapple. Pineapple.
Is it
Ginger.
Is it healthy or not?
Healthy.
And what food group would it go under?
Meat.
No? Would anyone like to help her out?
No.
It would.
Fruit.
Yes.
Fruit. I think I know.
That's correct.
Well, I think my favorite food
Hot dogs don't
is
count.
I think hamburger.
Is that healthy or not?
Probably not.
Hot dogs don't count. That means hamburger too.
Well, meat is a healthy option. What category would it go under?
Meat.
Yes, that is correct.
Protein. Protein to be more precise.